In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial. Invite a staff member in Shopify. If you're ready to bring someone on to help manage your store, I'll walk you through the exact process to invite them securely and set the right level of access from the start. Begin by heading to your users and permissions settings in your Shopify admin. This is where all team access is controlled. Click Add Staff to create a new staff profile. Enter the person's first name, last name, and a professional email address they actively use. Double-check the spelling here. This is important because Shopify will send a unique login link to that email, and they'll use it to create their own secure credentials. Next, you'll set their permissions. By default, no boxes are checked, which means they have no access until you grant it. You can choose to give full access if this person needs to work across your entire store, or you can limit them to specific tasks like managing products, orders, or customer support. A helpful rule of thumb is to give them exactly what they need and nothing more. For a general assistant, it's common to allow most day-to-day permissions while keeping sensitive financial data and billing settings restricted. This protects your business while still letting your teammate be effective. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. Shopify will automatically email your staff member with their unique link. They'll have 7 days to accept the invitation and set up their own password. If they're new to Shopify, let them know to check their inbox and spam folder, and to complete the setup promptly so they can get to work. Back on your main permissions page, you'll see their status listed as pending. That simply means the invite is out and waiting. If they didn't receive the email or it expired, click their name and select Resend Invite to generate a fresh one. As soon as they finish their setup, you'll see their status change to active, confirming they're officially part of your team. From here, you can always review or adjust permissions later if their role changes, and you can remove access if someone no longer needs it. Keeping permissions tidy helps maintain security and clarity as your team grows. That's all there is to it. Invite sent, team expanded, and your store is now ready for collaborative growth. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your Shopify team with confidence.